Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Here we are at the start of the summer travel season. Lots of folks have been on the road this long holiday weekend. Kelly Stumpe, known as the Car Mom, is offering some tips for family travel. One is to be prepared by making sure your insurance has rental reimbursement coverage to cover the cost of a rental car if your vehicle should need repair.
If your car needs to go into the shop to get repaired, it's not 1 or 2 days. Entgerprise data tells us that on average, you're looking at up to 2 weeks. So imagine a family, the dead of summer, being left without their vehicle for 2 weeks. It would really throw a wrench into their plans. So this extra coverage gives you peace of mind, and then you're not stuck paying for a rental car out of pocket.
Good idea to check your policy. Make sure to check out our full interviews, video 2, and there's more from Kelly at thecarmomofficial.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com, or just click on the link at Techstination.com.